Hello everyone, today we will be working on an autonomous project based off Arduino. These are all the materials used in this project. These are the 4 steps which we will be following to make this project. Let's begin with step 1. IR-based appliances send and receive data using infrared light, which has data encoded in it. Hence, we will be decoding it first, and remember the command codes as it will be used for controlling IR-based ceiling fan. The IR remote library is very helpful in all kinds of IR projects based on Arduino. I will recommend downloading older version of IR library as newer versions have some problems. The orange arrow shows one of the code which we will be using. For simplicity, we will be considering only 3 speeds and power button. Alongside commands, the manufacturer of the command code is necessary as every manufacturer uses different types of codes. Let's continue to step 2. This is Arduino Bluetooth control application which you can get on Play Store. Connect VCC to Vin and ground of HC05 module to Arduino and power it up and connect it to your phone. We will be using buttons, and a good thing about this app is that you can configure the commands which Arduino receives on pressing a button. We will be setting A button command as 1, B's as 2, C's as 3 and so on. In this code, we have integrated codes for DHT temperature sensor, relay and IR emitter. We can also integrate humidity factor while determining conditions for exhaust fan to kick off. Also, serial print commands are not necessary. They are just for our reference to see what inputs Arduino is receiving. We will be using here the command codes which we have obtained earlier. Now we will be bringing this project to life. This is the circuit diagram which excludes exhaust fan connections. We will be using breadboard for ground as all modules will require ground, and it will be much neater if we use one wire for ground. This IR emitter is nothing but IR LED. A quick tip, you can use mobile cameras to check whether IR LED is working or not. While connecting Bluetooth module, beware to connect TX of module to RX of Arduino and vice versa, as data transmitted by module will be received by Arduino. Now we will be wiring high voltage section to relay pins, so make sure to take proper precautions as safety is most important. We will be using male-female plugs for easy and safe connecting and disconnecting of circuits. Also make sure to use male plug on relay side and female on exhaust fan side, as exhaust fan will be connected to mains directly. Use some tapes to properly arrange wires. While uploading code to Arduino, make sure to remove RX and TX wires for successful uploading of code. Now comes the time we have been waiting for. Let's see our project working. On pressing the B button, the exhaust fan switches on, and on pressing it again, it powers off. On pressing button 6, we put Arduino on autonomous mode, on which it will start measuring temperature in regular intervals of time. As we increase temperature above 35 degrees Celsius using hairdryer, the relay turns on and exhaust fan activates. Opposite happens when temperature gradually falls below 35 degrees Celsius. The read error which we see here is due to loose contacts as a result of high speed air blowing from dryer. If we press 6 again, we go to manual mode. On pressing A, we power on or off the ceiling fan. Buttons C, D, E are for different speeds, which is denoted by the number of LEDs lit on fan. Multiple same speed inputs won't make any difference as it is similar to F's in remote we saw earlier, and fan is designed to tackle it. Thank you for watching.